So, this video I'm making to settle the debate that me and Adam had earlier. If you don't like learning stuff, you don't need to watch this video. We were talking about radiation and what type of radiation is bad and which type of radiation isn't bad. I came home and did some research. I was saying the wrong word. I said iodizing instead of ionizing. Just a simple misled or spoke thing, misspeaking. But I did the research, and microwave radiation or microwaves are they're called that one because they are I believe 1/100th of a meter or 1/100th of a millimeter. I don't know. They're really tall, or tiny, not tall. Really tiny wavelengths, and they are non-ionizing radiation, which is radiation that can heat something up just because when it hits a particle it makes it vibrate a little bit, but not violently enough to remove ions from it, which is what ionizing radiation is. And that's the type of radiation used for cancer treatments and stuff like that. The thing about that type of treatment, most cancer treatment actually, is you're pumping a lot of poison into someone and hoping that kills more cancer cells than real cells. That's why people lose their hair, get sick, all that kind of stuff, because they are being poisoned and hoping that the poison kills what's killing them before the poison kills them. But I'll put a link in the description to the page I used to do my research. I believe it was some scientific site, so I didn't use Wiki. Wikipedia has some good aspects, but I don't use it much when researching, just because it's not super valid. But I was right. I tried to find the study Adam talked about, where like they watered a plant with microwave water, and I couldn't find it. I'm pretty sure it was one of those urban myth studies that are talked about, like, popular one is if you boil a frog slow enough, it won't jump out. That study actually was done, but what's usually failed to mention is the frog was first lobotomized. CGP Grey makes a short video about that. And like, normally if you try to boil a frog, no matter how slowly you boil the water, the frog will jump out once it gets hot enough, unless you either A, lobotomize it, or B, if a uninhibited frog is given the choice to jump out, it will jump out. So if one of my very few viewers, can actually find that thing, I will admit being wrong. And I also might do the experiment myself to extra prove Adam wrong, just because I like doing that. Anyways, thanks for watching. And if you want to read about radiation, there's going to be a link in the description. Thanks.